All the delicious flavours of a ham and cheese crepe baked right into a convenient casserole. Always a big hit for breakfast, brunch, even dinner. Loaded with potatoes, ham and cheddar cheese, this crepe casserole is a great recipe to have on hand for holiday brunches. Join Cooking Company as we guide you one step at a time in making this easy and yummy ham and cheese crepe casserole. In a bowl, take 4 eggs and 500 milliliters of milk. Whisk them together completely. Then add 160 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and whisk those ingredients in. Add 50 grams of melted butter and whisk that too, getting plenty of air into the mixture. Cover the mixture with film and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then cook the mixture in a hot pan without oil until the top has set. You'll know it's done when the mixture stops moving around. You'll need to repeat this step a few times. Take a small ceramic baking dish and lay out your crepes on top, overlapping them with the side of the dish like so. Now spread out some sliced potato to cover the base and add another layer of parma ham slices. Once the potato is covered, it's time to cover the ham with slices of cheese right up to the edges. Now repeat those layers again and add a final crepe on top. Now carefully fold over the edges of the crepes to create a parcel. Neat and tidy. Now bake at 180 degrees for half an hour. Remove from the oven and present your treat. Use a sharp knife to divide up your portions. Sit back and enjoy.